Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to show you something that comes in very, very handy. So today I want to talk to you about quick makeup. Emergency makeup almost. I've mentioned before about going on jobs, and I think I've mentioned anyway, there's always that one person, I always find this at weddings, you go and do the bride, you go and do the mother of a bride, you go and do the grandmother, and then suddenly there's an auntie who wants just a quick smoky eye or something like that. What I wanted to show you guys today is how to do a very quick, very fast, acceptable smoky eye. So by smoky I don't mean winged out black smoky. Smoky is a technique, not necessarily a colour. So what we want to do is make a really effective eye using maybe 3 products. Keep it really simple, something you can do in a matter of minutes. So let's get straight into my eye and I'm going to show you how to do a super quick eye makeup. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with my eye base. This is a Prime and Lock eye primer from Makeup Revolution. So if you're in a rush you can literally whack some on the lid there. I'm just going to use my finger to blend this out. Even if you're in a rush, a good eye base is always necessary to use. You want that eye makeup you've done to last a long time, even if it takes you a few seconds to do it. So I'm taking this eyeshadow palette from MAC Cosmetics. This is a burgundy ×9, and as you can see it has some natural colours, it has a darker brown, and it has a burgundy there as well. So I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to use a natural colour like we would just use a normal transition shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and start taking that through the socket. And this is more a rounded shape, so we're going to just round it off here. So just to make it rounder, we don't have to start flicking it out this way. So we very quickly just defined that socket. So with a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm taking more of a burgundy shade. I'm going to use this on the whole lid. So no fancy blending going on, we're just going to tap that right on. The whole way across, going to take it right to the inside corner. Take our blending brush again, with no product on, I'm just going to go backwards and forwards, make sure that shadow is nice and blended. So I'm going to take the same burgundy again, but I'm going to use the edge of a brush, so literally the tip. And coming in straight forward, we're going to run that along the lash line. So the reason I've gone for kind of burgundy is because it looks nice with brown eyes, it looks nice with blue eyes, it looks nice with green eyes, it has a bit of red, it has a bit of purple, and it's like warm, so it's kind of a universal colour to use. Let's blend that shade out. So already we have that bit of a smoky effect. I'm leaving the lash line with no colour. So I'm going to take this darker kind of black shade with a very small kind of smudge brush, and then I'm just going to take that along the lash line on the top lash. And you don't have to be too neat with this, just literally whack it on, get it on there. This is a quick smoky eye. I'm going to do a small amount on the outside corner, just here. I'm going to take that blending brush that we used the burgundy on before. I'm just going to tap over that black we did with no extra product, just the brush. I'm just going to start tapping this in. I'm just going to gently smudge under here. Blending brush again, let's blend that all together. Concentrate a bit on the outside corner here. Done. Literally that easy. So you still get that smoky effect, we still get the darker and the lighter. We get a nice kind of tone to it. Super rushed smoky eye. Mascara, some lashes on that if you have time. It will look amazing. That's all you have to do. You can do the same with blue, working from lighter to darker, same with green, working from lighter to darker, even softer browns if they don't want something so dramatic. So guys, that took no time at all. Really effective, dark smoky eye, something you can whack out in a second. You guys are probably pros at blending right now. So as long as you've got that down, you're positioning down, you need those few products, a few brushes, done. Anyway guys, thank you so much guys. I'll see you very soon. Bye.